This company is a tremendous opportunity for you to build your wealth profile. Now, let me share some information with you about how you can leverage this opportunity for yours and for your future and for the future of those that you know and love. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Evanique, and this channel is all about helping you. Before we get into this, and I tell you what it is, go ahead and let me know what platform are you watching this video on. Are you watching this on Facebook Live? Are you watching this on YouTube? Are you watching live, or are you watching the replay? If you are watching live, type live, and if you're watching a replay, go ahead and type replay. I know you're asking yourself, well, how does this really work? I'm interested in what you're telling me about, but how does it work? Well, with Zealous, this company has done all of the legwork and all of the heavy lifting for you. They've done the manufacturing, the warehouse, the shipping. You have all the tools in your hand. The only thing that you're doing is sharing the information with someone else, which is something that you would do anyway if you had an amazing product that worked and that was doing tremendous things in your life anyway. You would say, hey, this is some good stuff. Let me share it with you. All right, let me know how many of you could benefit from an extra $1,500 a month that you earned while you were sleeping. You didn't have to move anything. You didn't have to get up. You didn't have to commute and drive to work. You were in your bed and money was being made. If that sounds like something that you're here for, go ahead and type yes in the comment section. Now, your traditional brick and mortar business has a lot of overhead, materials and tools that you're using for your business. You have to pay for those things. That comes out of your pocket. With Zealous, you don't have to worry about any of that. And not only that, Zealous has eliminated the middleman. So it's an added bonus because you're helping people to get healthier, and it's a life-changing experience. Taste and see what it's like so that you can see just how wonderful the opportunity is. You don't have to worry about advertising. When your product is so excellent that you don't have to think about marketing and trying to sell it, it's basically going to sell itself because it's just amazing. You have everything at your fingertips. You're working from your cell phone. You can go to your kids' play or your kids' ball games and be working on and off, working from your phone, working from your laptop or your tablet. And when you're not working, it's working for you all throughout the day, 24/7. Internationally, people could be coming to your site and purchasing while you sleep. So this is just a tremendous opportunity. I would recommend it for you, if nothing more, for the health benefits that it will add to your life, but moreover, the financial freedom that you can build with this company, Zealous. I hope that this information has helped you tremendously. If it has added value to you, go ahead and like this video. Hit that notification bell for more exciting content like this. I love you all, and I look forward to seeing you back here again.